The 2026 Coleman CT200U, a classic mini bike that has been a favorite for decades. Coleman has kept the rugged charm of the original CT200 while introducing updates that make the 2026 version more reliable, smoother, and practical than ever before. Whether you're a first-time rider, a weekend explorer, or a camping enthusiast, this bike is designed to deliver fun with minimal fuss. Design and build. The 2026 CT200U stays true to its iconic design. It features a steel tubular frame that's both durable and lightweight, perfect for off-road adventures or casual cruising. The wide, low-pressure tires give the bike a stable footprint, allowing it to tackle gravel paths, dirt trails, and uneven terrain with confidence. The overall layout remains simple, making it easy to maintain for beginners while still feeling solid and capable. Coleman has also added small but meaningful design improvements in this model. The rear rack has been reinforced, allowing riders to carry camping gear, tools, or supplies for a weekend adventure. The updated chain guard and safety shields reduce maintenance concerns and keep your ride safer for everyday use. Engine and performance. Under the seat, the 196 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine delivers reliable, consistent performance. The 2026 update includes refined carburation and improved cooling, which ensures smoother operation and easier starts even in colder weather or after sitting idle for a while. While the CT200U isn't designed for high-speed thrills, it excels in torque and power delivery at low speeds, making it ideal for climbing hills, navigating trails, or simply enjoying casual rides around your property or campsite. Fuel efficiency has also improved, allowing for longer rides without worrying about constant refueling. The simple engine layout also means easier maintenance and fewer surprises down the road. Ride comfort and handling. One of the standout updates for the 2026 CT200U is its improved ride comfort. The seat features better padding and vibration dampening materials, which makes longer rides more enjoyable. The suspension system is solid and reliable, giving the bike a smooth, stable ride over rough terrain. Handling is where the CT200U really shines. The wide tires provide grip and stability on a variety of surfaces, while the low center of gravity makes it easy to maneuver even for smaller riders or beginners. Whether you're navigating tight trails, rocky terrain, or simple dirt paths, the bike responds predictably and confidently. Features and upgrades. Coleman has introduced several thoughtful features in the 2026 model. Reinforced rear rack for carrying cargo. Durable clutch system for smoother engagement and longer lifespan. Refined braking components, giving better stopping power on uneven terrain. Updated chain guard and safety shielding to protect both the rider and the bike. These updates ensure that the CT200U remains user-friendly while maintaining the rugged, no-frills character that riders love. Who the CT200U is for. The 2026 Coleman CT200U is ideal for a wide range of riders. Beginners will appreciate its simplicity and forgiving handling. Casual weekend riders will enjoy its stability and comfort on trails or around campgrounds. Outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and campers will find the reinforced rear rack and reliable engine perfect for carrying gear and exploring remote areas. It's not a high-speed dirt bike, but it doesn't need to be. The CT200U is about reliability, fun, and practicality, the perfect companion for adventures where getting there is just as important as the ride itself. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman CT200U proves that classic design and modern updates can coexist. It's rugged, reliable, and fun, with subtle improvements that make it more enjoyable for today's riders without losing the spirit of the